In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add start dates in Trello. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the setting, how to turn it on for a card, and how to save it so your planning is clearer and your deadlines make more sense. Start by opening the Trello board where you're managing your work. Find the specific card you want to schedule. Click on that card to open its back. This view is where all the details live: your description, checklists, attachments, comments, and the tools that help you manage timing. Look to the right side of the card. You'll see a column labeled Actions. This is where Trello groups the most common controls for a card. Click on Dates. This opens the Date Picker window, which is your central place to set timelines for the card. Inside the Date Picker, look for the Start Date option. You'll see a checkbox for Start Date. Click that checkbox to enable a start date for this card. The moment you check it, fields for selecting the start date and time will become active. Pick the date you want this work to officially begin. If timing matters, adjust the time to reflect when you plan to kick things off. Otherwise, the default time works fine. Now, select your due date. This sets the finish line for the task and helps Trello send reminders and highlight upcoming deadlines. Choose the date and time that best match when you want the work completed. Using both a start date and a due date gives you a clear window of time for the task, which is especially helpful for planning and reporting. When your dates look right, click Save. Saving applies the dates to the card and updates the card's front, so you can see them at a glance. You'll notice the start date appears alongside the due date, giving you a visual cue for when work should begin and when it should end. If you ever need to fine-tune your schedule, just return to the same dates window on the card. Adjust the start date, the due date, or the times, and save again. Trello will update the card and reflect the new schedule right away. That's all it takes. Open the card, go to Dates under Actions, check Start Date, choose your start and due dates, and save. Adding start dates keeps your projects organized, gives your team a shared expectation for when work begins, and makes planning across multiple tasks much easier. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Trello.